Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Moo virus that may be causing zoomed in screen, inverted colors, and mooing sound on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, first thing to keep in mind, this is not a virus. It is just basically a shortcut that is causing issues. If you accidentally downloaded it onto your phone, you can fix it by following these steps. So if you happen to have a zoomed in phone and you can't get in or something, you're going to use 2 or 3 finger to tap on the screen, and you'll get this menu that will allow you to first zoom out. So you want to go ahead and turn off the zoom here. Now I can see everything. So it'll just basically zoomed in. So I move the slider all the way over. And now I can go ahead and access my phone by using Face ID or my password. So now once you're in, now we need to remove or delete this shortcut. So what you need to look for is under the utility section or search bar is your shortcuts, basically automations here. You'll see a bunch of shortcuts. And the one that we want to remove, you're going to look for one that says High School School Fight. That's usually the name of it, or HS Fights, School Fights, or something that you don't recognize. Basically, you want to tap on over here, press and hold, or tap on it to delete it. So you're going to make sure you delete the shortcut. So now that shortcut is gone. Now it's time to fix our phone back. So in order to fix it, a couple things you want to go ahead and do is start by going into your setting. And then in your setting, once you're in your setting, you're going to look to go to accessibility. First thing you're going to look for is zoom, and then go ahead and turn off zoom completely. So that's disabled, so the phone won't get into the zoom mode. The next thing you want to go ahead and remove is under display and text size. You're going to go down there, and then you're going to see a couple things here. If you have smart invert turned on, we need to turn that off. If you have classic invert turned on, you need to turn that off as well. So those two things you want to go ahead and turn off. And any additional setting you can also adjust. Basically, it should look like this. And finally, if let's say you're still having issues and it's still not working, you just need to restart your phone. Just go ahead and hold down well, if you need to restart it, you can follow this method. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do is volume up, volume down, and I hold down this side button. You can also do this method. Let's say if it didn't zoom out for you, or if you're having issues like you couldn't get back onto the phone, or it's still making the sound, do this first step and then also do the other step afterward, where you delete the shortcut and any setting that is kind of messed up, which is under the accessibility of zoom and inverted colors or smart colors as well. So here I'm just force restarting the phone, which will basically shut the phone software and reload the code. It will not delete any of your data. Now, keep in mind, like I said, this is not actually a real virus. It's just basically a bug where you downloaded a shortcut or got downloaded on your phone, and it's just causing issues like the zoomed in screen, inverted colors, and mooing sound. And after that, it should go ahead and be fixed. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.